Here we go. This is the Pretzel Moon Pie, aka the Calzone. You can call this the Pretzel Moon Pie, which will give you a unique name on your menu. Simply take the sheet, lay it flat on your table, peel off the wax. Now the technique here is going to be simple. We're simply just folding it over in half. You can add complexity to it by the sealing technique, which I'll illustrate here in a second. Grab your ham, put it in, not directly in the middle, but pick an end up or bottom towards you and come off its center axis and apply the meat and the cheese. Now once you've had that on there, spread that out, add a little American cheese, will cream out your mozz, and you simply fold over and seal. The dough will start sticking to itself. Simply just pinch it in and you're good to go from here. This is the finger technique. You can use this. But if you want to dress it up, and depending on your restaurant and the plating and the speed, you can take simply a fork and go ahead and groove some lines in. Now these lines will give it a nice little texture when it comes and it's finished baking. But if you want to get even more intense, simply a finger roll. Come right over. It's a pinch right over. Put your thumb down, slide over, pinch right over. And you'll notice here, it'll start curling up into a twisted dough rope technique. And there you go. So you can take the same item, keep it simple, as complex as you like, simply put on your pan. Now, of course, cut your air pocket in so everything breathes out. Put the browner on, hit it with the salt, and now you're ready for bake. And once again, between 375 to 550 degrees, between 5 and 8 minutes, and she's ready to go. Put your butter on, which will bring out the color, and now you have your pretzel moon pie. You can use this as pretzel moon pie or calzone.